Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to test resistance on a speed potentiometer. This is a speed control knob. We've removed it from a Go-Go scooter's dash and we're going to show you how to troubleshoot it. But before I get started, I just want to mention two things. One, if you want a copy of our brand new catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, Mobility Direct, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and one will be in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically going to get entered into a giveaway. We give away a free mobility scooter once a month. It's really easy, just hit the subscribe button and you're automatically entered. We'll announce the winner at the end of each month. I'm going to show the last winner on the screen so you know it's legit, and we'll be right back with you. All right, we're here. We're pulling up to the lucky winner's apartment building, and we're going to bring the scooter up to her door. And we're gonna get the reaction on video. I'm pretty excited. This is awesome. I mean, we're giving away a mobility scooter to someone that truly needs it. So stay tuned. We're gonna go up the elevator. It's on the 3rd floor, and we're gonna present this custom scooter to the winner.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, thank you.
You like the scooter?
Oh, that's for me.
We're giving this.
I was gonna say, you look like you can run a marathon. You don't need a scooter. We're actually giving this one to one of the residents here on the 3rd floor. Might be your neighbor.
Yeah,
They entered into a giveaway raffle and they won. That's why we're getting it on camera.
So badly. Oh
Yep.
my gosh! I'm so happy for you.
Hello.
It's good to meet you.
Scooter. This is Oh, God bless you. You won.
Alright, so we're here with Gloria, and she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel about a year ago.
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
Well, it's something we're really happy to be able to do, Gloria.
Thank you.
And we really appreciate those kind words. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. This is what we're doing here every 6 months. So if you know somebody else that could use one, please tell them about it. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you subscribed, and good luck to you if you did. We're gonna get started now. A couple things that you're gonna need. One is a multimeter. This multimeter has the function to test resistance, and you wanna move it to the 200K setting on the ohms reading, which is that little orange omega sign there. So put it in the 200K setting, and the first thing we normally do is we touch the contacts together to make sure that your multimeter is reading 0 resistance. So there should be no resistance with the flow of electrons, so if you touch it together, you're getting a 0 on the screen there, and that's what you want. So your meter is working properly, and on a speed control knob, there's 3 wires. And what you want to do is take the probes and put one on the outside on the left and one on the outside to the right. Now you can do this in a few different areas if you peel back the heat shrink here, or you can go in through the connector, but I'm just going to do it right here on the metal pads that it's soldered to. And on the multimeter, you can see there is a very low resistance reading, and as we start to change the position of the knob, you're going to notice that resistance is going to change gradually and smoothly. So we're going to ask Eric here, while I'm holding these pins, to rotate that speed control knob slowly, and just pay attention to the numbers on the resistance. You can see it's going up. So as he rotates that knob, you're seeing the resistance go up when you go one way, and then if you go the other way, it smoothly and gradually goes back down to almost 0. And that's what you want to see. You want to see a smooth transition in the resistance. That is essentially what your speed control knob is doing. It's putting resistance in the communication between this component here back to the controller, and that's going to help regulate your top speed. If you're seeing anything funky, like zeroed out all the time, doesn't change, or if it's sporadically jumping up and down and not smoothly going up and down as you rotate it, you probably have a bad speed control potentiometer. It's that easy. Now, there could be many other things going on with your scooter. We recommend referring to your user manual, checking out the beep code guide. We have a video on that, which we'll throw in the description below. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Hopefully this video has taught you something about how to troubleshoot your mobility scooter. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.